Welcome to my YouTube channel, Dame the Real Productions, and today I'm going to show you a great and interesting tool for melodies with a Max for Live MIDI effect available in Ableton Live 11. Bouncy Notes is a dope tool to generate all kinds of effects to your MIDI with speed, gravity, and mass and filters. Okay, I got a beat loaded up right now. Let's play with some presets from Bouncy Notes. Alright, so in Ableton Live, go to the navigation box right here. And we're gonna go to Max for Live. Yeah, Max for Live, and then we're gonna hit not instruments but Max MIDI effect. And then we're gonna scroll down to Bouncy Notes. And you know, we got all kinds of presets here, but you could drag the whole actual plugin by itself. We're gonna do that. Alright, so I'm gonna solo this melody right here. So this is a guitar sound I got loaded up, and so this is how it sounds without the MIDI effect, and this is how it sounds when you add Bouncy Notes. So you could adjust the through, the gain, everything, you know. So when you increase the gravity, then it starts going crazy. Alright, let me stop it because the CPU is going crazy. So we got oh yeah, this is crazy. I'm gonna have to start using the presets. Alright, let's use the presets. Bouncy Notes. Always forward. This is the first one right here. Let's see how it sounds. Okay, the next one is Audio Jazz. Or Auto Jazz, my bad. Press play. Alright, I got a whole nother thing loaded up now because I ran into some issues. Ableton kept shutting down, so I gotta start fresh. So here we go. Bouncy Notes. Alright, this is the M1, the Korg M1. So I'm just gonna go through some sounds and then show you how the Bouncy Notes work. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna turn it on. Now you see these balls going up and down, jumping up and down. You could change the gravity by how heavy and how faster it goes up and down. See how it changes it? That's dope. Then we got a speed. Kind of sounds robotic now, but that's a cool effect too. So with low speed, it kind of like evaporates, like like mist. Now the random direction right here. Yeah, this makes it kind of sound like crazy. Hold on. As you go up. Yeah, so this is dope right here, the random. This is dope right here too. And then we got the friction. Then we could change how many voices, so let's go down. So it's pretty much one voice. So this is how it sounds without the effect, and then with the effect on. So it kind of goes all over the place. It's a little bit of randomness there. That's dope. Now this is where it bounces all over. Then we're gonna try the effects with drums. Yeah, let's turn that off a little bit, and then I'm gonna try to find some MIDI drum kits. We got one from Beat Tools. Put this right here. Yeah, mute that. Then we're gonna see how this works with drums. Oh man. Let me get rid of some of this extra stuff in there. Should be something like a melody up in there. Wait a minute. The synth? Yeah, the synth. Let's get rid of this. Let me get rid of the 808 too. Alright, so we got a preset beat. Hold on, it's called beat accent for the drum rack. So let's see how this sounds. I'm pretty sure it's gonna sound crazy, but press play. Alright, let's play with this. So this is dope on drums too. Alright, yeah, these are just a couple of examples on how to use this effect, you know, from Max for Live. And you know, if you made it to the ending of this video, you know, like, comment, subscribe if you're interested in beats, tutorials, and music production.
Dame the real music.